This is Akihabara station. It's June 27th, Saturday at 8 o'clock. So this is the weekend and I see so many people now. Yeah, it's very lively. Atore, this is Atore. Many people shopping. I haven't seen so many people after, you know, all the pandemic started, and then people just started to go out and they seem really happy. Many people are taking picture of these anime girls. Can you see? Yeah. So yeah, I see many people are wearing masks. Okay, so this is the game center. Yeah, it's open. No, it's pachinko shop. Many people are there. I see many people. Music is a little loud, but I hope you can hear my voice. Adores. And game center, there aren't so many people here. It's quite empty. I think many people like this kind of gacha gacha. Dragon Ball. One Piece. This shop is very lively. And this cafe looks, yeah, it looks famous as well. Pasela Resort. No, it's karaoke place. Karaoke. Yeah. Maybe some tourists or maybe they are foreigners living in Japan. Yeah, I see some foreigners, but maybe they are living in Japan. I don't know. Yes, big camera. So what do you like about Akihabara? Is it the electricity? Or is it the maid cafe? Selling all about anime. Yeah, anime, yeah. What is your favorite anime right now? Please tell me. Big camera. Yeah, so many people coming and going. And as you can see, you know, we have to sanitize the hands here. Like all the stores, we have some precautions. Most of the times, you know, we have to wear, usually we have to wear the masks. Kimetsu no Yaiba. Yeah, I heard about Kimetsu no Yaiba. Black Clover anime. All about magic. This is Taito station. And crepe shop. I would love it. It just makes me hungry. Crepes. Kimi no Suizou tabetai. Yeah, I heard it's a very nice anime as well. And yeah, I wanna say hello. Hello everyone. It's not really nice, you know, because I have to wear the mask. I'm so happy to see you, like to talk to you virtually. There aren't so many customers inside. Can you see? Figure hobby ka. Oh, vending machine. They have 800 yen. Hi. I saw the police car. I don't wanna cause a trouble. I just saw a police car here. Sometimes they don't like walking and using the phone. So yeah. Now I'm okay. Moss burger. I like moss burger. 大丈夫ですよ。すいません。ごめんなさい。He stopped it for me. Moss burger. And this is Saizeriya. Saizeriya is also very popular because they're quite reasonable and they have good Italian food. When I was here like a week ago during the daytime, it was so quiet. But now it's because it's weekend. Yeah, I can see more people going out. People approachable there in Japan? I think so. My opinion, I think in Tokyo, people are approachable. Yeah, people are more used to tourists or foreign, people from foreign countries, so they're used to it. So there are police. So there are many police cars patrolling. They're making sure everything is okay. Police again. Go Go Kare. I heard this is popular. Go Go Kare. And Yoshinoya. So this is the popular place again. This right hand side are the things the staff, the people who are working are doing, like checking the temperature before working, cleaning, and they're like refreshing air all the time, keeping the social distance. And these are the things they're asking the customers. Please wear the masks, sanitize the hand, keep the distance, and please make sure you are not unwell. So this is how we are going to fight the thing. This is a nice picture. So yes, this is how it looks like right now in Akihabara. Okay, I need to run.
In this magical place. We hope this supernatural memory will last.
I'm so happy the weather is so nice and that I'm able to share this video with you. And I'm planning to go to the Team Labo Digital Art Museum in Odaiba. I'm gonna go and video shoot, make a YouTube video. So thank you so much for joining. ありがとうございます everyone. And I'm gonna say goodbye from Akihabara. さようなら、ありがとう、バイバイ。